Hi, I'm Sejal and I work in innovation and product for Interface. Silk Complex is a unique collection of 3 LVT products that work beautifully, both independently and can transition into each other to create drama that can be dialed up or dialed down. The collection is grounded in shantung, which is a woven silk textile with a brushed effect, and this is available in 12 colorways. Now, 3 of the neutrals of shantung, lotus, orchid, and black rose, are carried forward as the basis for dither silk and silk age. In dither silk, you see metallic flecks dapple onto the shantung pattern. And on silk age, the shimmer and flecks build in intensity, distributed across the tile for a truly gilded, metallic look in gold, silver, or bronze. You'll also see these colors play out in a more tone-on-tone contrast, playing with matte and sheen. With Silk Complex Collection, you can reach new levels of sophistication and sexy that has never been seen before in LVT.